How to add pictures to an album in Photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up Photos by tapping on the Photos icon. In here, if you are already in Library, so if you're already in Library, just tap on the Close button to close Library. And then we scroll down and then tap on Albums. Tap on the right arrow here. Then from here, open up the photo album that you want to add in Pictures. So I've got IT Jungles. From here, go down and then tap on the Add button. And from your library, simply select the photos that you want to add, then tap on Add. And that's it. Now tap on the back key, and that is how you can add photos or pictures to your photo album. Now at the top here in Library, so if you are browsing photos through Library, you can also touch and hold on a picture. And from here, you can also choose Add to Album and select the album that you want to add it to. And that's it. So that is also another way how you can add pictures to album. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.